In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find complete tasks in Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar to manage your to-dos, you might notice that once you check something off, it can feel like it disappears. But those completed tasks are still there, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find them and how to view them clearly. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. At the top of the page, you'll see the standard calendar view with your events, reminders, and possibly tasks. What we want to do now is switch specifically to the tasks view so we can focus only on your to-dos. Look over on the right-hand side of your screen for the side panel. This is the narrow vertical bar that usually shows icons for things like Google Keep, tasks, and other add-ons. Click on the tasks icon to open the task sidebar. If you don't see it right away, you might need to expand the side panel by clicking the small arrow at the bottom edge of the screen. Once the tasks panel opens, you'll see your current task list along with any subtasks you've created. By default, this panel will show your active, incomplete tasks. To find tasks you've already finished, look for the section or option labeled Completed. This is usually found at the bottom of your task list. Click on Completed to expand that section. When you do, Google Calendar will reveal all the tasks you've checked off in that list. You can scroll through these completed tasks to review what you've accomplished. This can be especially useful if you want to confirm that something was done, or if you need to reuse the wording of a previous task. If you click on any individual completed task, you can see its details, such as any notes you added or the original due date. If you want to bring a completed task back into your active list, simply uncheck it. The check mark will disappear and the task will move back into your main tasks section, ready to be edited or rescheduled on your calendar. Remember, if you use multiple task lists within Google Tasks, you can switch between those lists using the drop-down at the top of the task panel, and each list will have its own completed section. That's all there is to it. By switching to the tasks view and expanding the completed section, you can quickly find and manage all the tasks you've already finished in Google Calendar.